Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. We're going to make a simple scratch-made spaghetti. So we've got a nice large pot in relation to the amount of pasta we're cooking of boiling water that's salted. It's got a little drizzle of olive oil in it. I'm going to drop in my spaghetti, cover that and let it start to cook. I've also got a pan over here that's been heating up on about medium-high heat. I'm going to saute a little bit of garlic. We've got a little olive oil in the pan. Also going to saute a little bit of zucchini. You want to do this just until you get a little bit of color on it. Add in some garlic of tomato paste. Got a little bit of color on my garlic, so I'm going to go in with canned tomatoes and all of their liquid. Okay, the key to this now is to let this kind of bubble away and simmer, let it all come together. You're going to add in some of these nice baby carrots as well and let them cook inside of the sauce. Bring the heat back up a little bit. So a little bit more tomato paste, that gives it a rich tomato flavor. A little fresh cracked black pepper. A little bit of sea salt. You can kind of use the back of your spoon to smash some of those tomatoes down a little bit. It's going to be a nice thick hearty sauce. We're even going to add a little bit of our pasta water to it. Bring the heat up on this and let it bubble away. Kind of simmer. So let that go for a few minutes. Let it cook those carrots. While our pasta is still cooking, I'm going to add a little bit of the pasta water with all the starch into our sauce. Alright, so now you just need to let this cook for a few minutes. Okay, so once your sauce is cooked for a little while and your carrots become tender, then it's about time to pull it off the heat. You want to let it cool a little bit. And then something you can do as a little bit of a trick, you can blend this up so that it's nice and smooth, or as chunky as you want it, but you can blend it or process it somewhat in order to kind of incorporate those vegetables so the kids may not know that they're eating all of the healthy vegetables instead of, you know, a regular, like a canned sauce. They may be more used to that. So if you make it look that way, then they may be more apt to try it, and they'll get those nutritious vegetables in there without even knowing it. I'll bring you back and show you the finished product here shortly.